Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with the second part of LCM and HCF. So before going in detail about this, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE BTech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So in the last video we have seen some of the tricks how to solve the LCM and HCF. Here is a other type of problems which are asked in a aptitude questions, that is the HCF of two numbers is 8. Which one of the following can never be their LCM? So the HCF of our two numbers is given, that is 8, and which one of the following can never be their LCM? But as we know that LCM and HCF should be a multiples of each other. They should be a multiples. If not, then they are not their LCM. So let's check with an options. 32. 32 is a multiple of 8. 24 is also a multiple of 8. 48 is also a multiple of 8, that is 8 6 are 48. And 60, coming to 60, 60 is not a multiple of 8. So if it is not a multiple of 8, it never be an LCM for the 8. So the option is 8. The option is 60. And the other question, that is LCM of two numbers is 12 times of their HCF. Sum of the LCM and HCF is 195. If one of them is 60, find the other. So we have to find out the other number. We know that LCM into HCF equal to sum of the two number, product of the two numbers. So let's consider HCF as X. So if LCM of two numbers is 12 times of their HCF, so LCM will be 12x. So sum of the LCM and HCF is given as 195. From that we got x equal to 15. So at that time the LCM will be, when HCF will be 15, then the LCM will be 12 into 15, that is 180. But here they given one of them is 60. Already they have given one of them is 60. We have to find out the other number. That is, we know that product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF. So 60 into, let other number be x, and 15 into 180. So by solving it you will get x equal to 45 and the other number is 45. So the other two numbers to get verified, 60 into 45 equal to 50 into 180. So if they are same, then the LCM which you founded is correct. And here, find the greatest number which will divide 321, 428, 535 exactly. So when you have to find out the greatest number, that is nothing but HCF. So then what you have to do is, they given 321, 428 and 535. Just divide 428 with 321. So up to a remainder as a 0, then you can consider it as an HCF, but not a permanent one. You can consider it as a temporary HCF. So again do with 321 with 535, then you'll get an permanent HCF which solves the three numbers. So 107 is the answer for this question. So you can solve it by option verification too. Just take the last digits of each number, that is 1, 8 and 5. So is three of them are multiples of this last number? You have to check it out. So 5 is not a multiple of 1. So in 5 we cannot expect 1 as at the unit digit. So 8 also, no, 5 you can. So this is a wrong option. So 7, in 7 you can get it 1. 7 3 is 21, and 8 also you'll get, and 5 also you'll get. And here 104, in this 1 you'll not get 1, and also 5. So this is also a wrong option. And here 1 also you'll not get a wrong option. So 107 is an option. So you can verify in the option verification too. So this is how you'll solve the problems. And here, find the greatest number which will divide 640, 710, 1256 so as to leave a remainder, as to leave 11, 7 and 9 as remainder. So when they said you to find out the greatest number of the following numbers, so then what you have to do is you have to subtract the reminders from them. So 640, 710 and 1256, that one you have to divide you have to subtract 11, 7 and 9 from the above. So you'll get 629, 703, 1517. So you can do in this method also, but it takes time, so better you can go with an option verification. And the last digit is 937, right? So from which of the following 937 will be getting multiple? So 6, in 6 we will not get 9, so this is eliminated. And in 7 you will get it, 7 7s are 49, and 63 also you will get, and 7 also you will be getting. And in 2 you will not get a 9, and in 8 you will not get a 3, so you can directly put it as a 37. You can do in a option verification too. And here is a question for you all guys, just solve it and give it in the comment section. That is, find the least number which will divide by 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, leaves as a remainder of 2 in each case is. Here in the above option you have subtracted because you have to find out the greatest number. Now you have to find out the least number, so you have to add 2 to all the numbers and then do it the problem. Find the least number which will increased by 3 is exactly divided by 10, 12, 14 and 16. So we have to find out the least number which will be increased by 3 is exactly divided by 10, 12, 14 and 16. Just do an LCM for this 10, 12, 14 and 16. You got 1680. See, when you have to find out an least number which is increased, so you have to subtract, you have to do in a opposite way. When they said decreased, just add the number. When they say increase, just subtract the number when they have to find out the least number. So you got 1680. So in that you have they said increased, so just subtract it and you'll get 1677 as the answer for this question. And see, this is how I said you, like, find the least number which will divide decreased by 4 is exactly divided by 9, 12, 15 and 18. Just find out the LCM for this number and just decreased, so you have to do it in an opposite way. So you have to add 4 and get the answer. Just give me in the comment section what is the answer. In the next video I'll be telling you the clear solution. So here, find the LCM of 2 cube plus 3 power 4 plus into 5 square and 2 square into 3 cube into 7 and 5 square into 7 square. So by seeing this you can find out it is very difficult to find out the LCM. There is a trick for it. So what you have to do is, when you see an LCM in this type of questions, just all and highest. You have to remember what is all and highest. So all the numbers should be written here. See, 2 and 3 and 5 is there. Again 2, 3, 7. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7. See, in this 2, 3, 5 is there. Again 2, 3, 7 and 5 and 7 is given. So, and highest, the powers of their highest you have to do it. For 2 is cube, and for 3 is power 4, for 5 is square, and for 7 is also square. So this is the answer for it. Just find out where is the option for it. It is an option A and the answer is option A. And here, find the HCF. of the given number. When you see an HCF, just what you have to do is common and least power. So you have to take a common digit which repeats in the three numbers. So here 2 3 5 and 2 3 5, but here 5 and 7. So only commonly repeating is only 5, so you have to take it as a 5, and the least power of 5 is 1. So 5 power 1 is 5, and the answer for this is 5. So this is how you'll solve. We'll solve still more problems in the next video. So if you have missed the last video, I'll give it in the description. The link is given in the description, so okay, you can go directly and visit that and watch the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.